going?
Skate park. Skate park.
Skate park. Hiram muna si Luna ng scooter kay Ray. Kasi hindi natupad yung birthday ni Luna, ay ni Sammy na bike sa birthday niya. May pad si Luna. Ready na si Luna pala eh.
Gento!
Ayan, yung bike namin. Bike tsaka scooter nandiyan. Skate park na kami. Wala na ko. Parang wala nga. Aray ko. Wala naglalaro. Kaya pa yung mga yan. Wala nakapark ko. Yun, di alam ni Sammy. Tulog pa si Sammy. Hindi alam ni Sammy. May surprise kami sa kanya.
Wow!
Bike. Mamaya pupunin ko yan. Oh, ito. Ilagay mo sa nose mo. Ito ilong. Aray ko. Energy drink. Ito kay Mami. Hi! Hello! Bagong gising. Andun na si Ren, Sam. Dadalhin ko na pala. Tapos tatago ko dito banda sa gilid. Tago ko muna dito. Yan, tinago ko muna dyan. Scooter na rin. Eh, Sammy oh. Nag-buy ako ng helmet mo oh.
Wow!
Barrow wrinkle scooter, you want? Tara. Wow, ganda ng gears ni Sammy ah. Want to borrow that? Kay Rain? Tara, dito, halika. Ito ni Sammy oh. Daming bike oh. Oh, you choose. What do you want bike? Choose ka. Ito kay Daddy? Hindi. Pili ka nung gusto mong hiramin. Do you want to borrow that one? Maybe this one. Come here. Let's look for smaller one. Oh, there. There's a small one here.
Wow!
You want to borrow that? You want to borrow that? This one, oh. Oh, wow. You want to borrow this?
Pink still.
Yeah, it's okay. It's called push bike.
I don't want it.
Sammy, this is my gift for you. This is for you. This is yours.
Come on, it's just on itself.
No, I put it there while you're sleeping.
Wow!
This is your bike now. You said yellow, right? Sit down. Just sit down. Ay, please. Ayaw niyo. Ayaw niyo. See? It fits you. Oh, try to push it. Try to walk.
I don't want.
It's okay. Just try. Please. Please, for Daddy. Just try to walk.
What? Oh,
It's okay.
no.
Just try to walk, please. I'm sorry. Wow, galing ni Sammy ah. Walk more, go there. Tara, follow Daddy. Oh, galing ah. Oh, turn. Oh, galing ah. Go, more. It's okay. Oh, galing ah. Ay, ang bilis na ni Sammy ah. Ang bilis, uy, ang bilis. It takes practice. It takes practice, Sammy.
Just keep on falling.
I'll teach you. Just ride it all over and all over again. And you'll get it. Yung tinaasan namin, much better na daw. Up. Careful. First time magbike eh. That's coming. Alright. Good. Slow down. Good job. Dapat pala sa flat ka lang. Tama nandun sa loob eh. Faster. Kung mag-brake, kaya mo yan. Kung mag-brake, bagal lang yan eh. Yung scooter ni Rain. Kaya mo balance ng bike? Hindi pa pala, no? Parang scooter lang yan. Malaki lang yung gulong. Babalance mo lang, o, di ba? Si Sam, di rin marunong. Si Sam naman, di rin marunong. Ama? Oh, sorry, Sam. Bye, Luna. Bye. Okay na.
Hi, Luna.
Dito na kami lahat. Look, mupo yun.
Yay! Bye! Ay, 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 ay! Ay, 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 ay!
Oh, yay, tapos na.
Oh no! Sakay pa daw. Oh, go, go, go ride with daddy, go ride. Wow, man. Yay! Punas mo la, ano? Ay, 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 ay! Ay! Bye! Bye, Luna! Ay, 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 ay! Ay, 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 ay!
Exercise na.
Go, Sam! Ay, 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 ay! Oh, no! Bibilan natin ang bike. Wow! Tama na, tama na.
Pauwi na kami. Thank you, Skate Park Antipolo. Thank you din sa asawa ko. Pinayagan ako rides.
Next week naman.
Kami ng kids. Although hindi nakapag-enjoy sa paglalaro, pero nag-enjoy ako with my family. Yeah, may bonding kami ni Luna, Raincal, tsaka ni Sammy. Nabigay na yung gift kay Sammy na bike.
Wow.
You like your bike, Sammy? She likes it. Nung uno, yung gusto niya may pedal. Naramdaman ko pedal. Kasi pag nag-check kami sa mall or sa mga bilihan ng bike, ang naano niya yung may pedal, nakikita niya may pedal.
Wheels sa baba.
Training wheels. Yun nga, tapos may pedal. Sarap naman dito. Computer shop. Alright. Bagal lang tayo. Yun. Yun, oh. Papanalo na rin, oh. How about Sammy?
It's so fast, Daddy.
Galing ng mga anak ko, finish na na rin. May libre kaming mga noodles, gano'n, ewan ko kung anong free. Nanalo kami. Smile, guys, smile. Hi. Hi, say hi. Sakto birthday ni Sammy. Kung magkakasya to dito. Aray. Last one. Kasha, boy.
Wow.
Kasha. Isang scooter, bike, tsaka push bike, tsaka groceries. Panis. Luwag pa nga pwede pagpatungin Sumara. Aray ko. Naglock.